Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Today's video is about a drum fill that we've probably heard someday, somewhere, in some gospel song somewhere. And it's a nice fill, but it's really overused. What we are going to do today is we are going to learn how to play it, because it might be overused and all, but you would still need to play it in some track one day, probably. So the first thing you need to do in order to play this fill is you need to hit the like button and subscribe. It's going to be broken down into 3 parts. The first part of the fill looks like this. This is a pattern between the first thumb and the snare with some ghosts on your left hand. I know it's really fast. Let's slow it down. See what it sounds like. The ghosts on your left hand, as always, the ghosts are very tiny notes, and the accents are the hard notes. So what you can do is you can play the accents as rim shots to make them sound harder, like this. So that's the first part of the fill. Now we move on to the second part of the fill, which is between the kick, snare, first thumb, and the floor thumb. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, sounds good, don't it? It sounds good, isn't it? Now we can take the first part of the fill and the second part of the fill, put it together, and it's going to sound like this. And yeah, so that's how the first 2 parts sound like. So now we add the final part, which is the floor thumb pattern, and this is what it sounds like. So we put everything together and it sounds like this. In order for you to get the feeling of how it sounds like, you can make it into a groove and just keep on playing it over and over and over until it begins to feel good. So you can do something like this. So now that we've got all that together, we just need to practice it in a groove. So just get, what you can do is you can get like a worship song, you can get a metronome, any of them would work, and just play along and try and put the fill in somewhere until it feels good. So in a groove, this is what it would sound like. This video is sponsored by the Drum Chops Builder app. It's an app I created myself for drummers like me and like you, so we can save our drum fills and our drum ideas when you're on the road, when you're not near drums. In quarantine, maybe you don't have drums at home, but you still get ideas. You can save it on your phone and go practice later. So check it out. It's in the link in the description down below. It's a really great app, and I believe you would love it. Thanks so much for watching. Random solo section coming up. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly consider subscribing and leave a like on this video, because the YouTube algorithm, if you like it, more people get to see the video. So kindly like the video. And yeah, thanks so much for watching Random Solo Section. See you in another video. Peace.